So see beta, now heading is, today's topic is balancing. Balancing redox reactions. Redox reactions, or say the reaction is expressed by equation. So therefore, to balance the, listen all of you, to balance the redox reaction, we use two methods. Okay, two methods. Okay, the one is called half reaction. The one is called half reaction method, or it is also called as ion electron method. Why? Okay, why? Because everyone knows that a redox reaction contains the reduction half reaction and oxidation half reaction. So you have to first separate the redox reaction into two half reactions, reduction half reaction and oxidation half reaction. After balancing both, you have to combine. And when you combine, listen carefully, when you combine across the arrow mark of the equation, you have to cancel the common species, like same number of electrons present at opposite side of arrow mark, or same number of water molecules, okay, or excess of water molecules, excess of H plus, okay, anything which is not equal, they have to be cancelled. Then finally, by mixing the two half reactions, we have to write a balanced equation, which is called stoichiometric equation. Okay, so since the equation redox reaction is balanced by making into half reactions called as half reaction method, and itself is called as ion electron method, because we have to balance the reaction or equation in ionic form. Means if any species contain hydrogens or sodium, potassium, okay, magnesium, calcium like species, they are called as peripheral species, because we all know that hydrogen H plus, sodium plus 1, okay, and next potassium plus 1, magnesium plus 2, calcium plus 2, their charges are fixed. So when these things are present, sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, hydrogen, they have to be removed. Okay, when you remove one hydrogen, then minus charge will be in the left equation on the species. If you remove sodium or potassium, minus charge in the left species in the equation. If calcium is removed, minus 2 charge, because plus 2 is removed. So here you have to balance the equation in ionic form by removal of peripheral atoms like hydrogen, alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. Means 1A and 2A. And here the charge is balanced by adding electron. The charge is balanced by adding electron. Hence, it is called ion electron method. One thing remember, in JEE Mains or NEET, this method is used. Of course, it is used, but it is a long procedure. It's a long procedure. So in a competitive exam, it takes lot of time. It takes a lot of time. But in IP, for board exam, it is useful to get 4 marks SAQ. Okay, you will be asked to balance the given redox reaction by ion electron method or a half reaction method. Okay, you have to represent their answer on paper. The paper is submitted. By seeing every step, you will get marks, 4 marks. But in competitive exams like NEET and JEE Mains, you are not submitting the worksheet. You're just bubbling the answers, yes or not. In this case, you have to find a way, okay? A way where the work done by you is what? Solving the problem is done very quickly and you have to give answer. So for that, what do you need, beta? What do you need, beta? So if you want to do the quick answer, what do you need there? Shortcut. What do you need? Shortcut. Yes or not? You need a shortcut method. And the shortcut method is second method, that is oxidation number method. Okay, that is oxidation number method. This oxidation number method is the shortcut. So most of the Most of the redox reactions are balanced in competitive exams by oxidation method. Okay, but if you do this half reaction, you have to solve the equation by using a whole paper. Okay, so you may writing on the one paper full. So do you know that? I hope you know that how much time takes for this writing whole paper. Yes or not? So for this paper you get 4 marks in board exam. That is beautiful. Okay, good to see and hear. But in a competitive exam, you need not waste time to write one paper. You have to search for a shortcut where work is completed in only one single line equation, and that is given by oxidation number. Okay, so the rules will be same. The rules will be same. Okay, the rules will be same. You go through the notes which I have sent to you. Now I'll explain. Here, you all know that. What is oxidation, beta? Give me answer. మిగతా వాళ్ళే నిద్రపోతున్నారా 71 మెంబర్స్ వచ్చారు where is other people about 90 people are there please all of you come to the class emma andaru class ki ravali please put in the group someone put information in the group hello otherwise I'll call to your parent okay if no one understand the balancing means they won't know chemistry they will face lot of problems in competitive exams. You have to learn the balancing. Okay, though it is tougher, but if you learn it, you will enjoy the chemistry. Okay, please come to the class, all of you. Inform your friends. Yes, say ma'am is calling. Okay, yes. So here I'll explain two things. Keep in mind, always we know that loss of electron. What is oxidation? Loss of electron, oxidation. Okay, and the loss of electron means minus electron. And as electrons are lost, what happens? Oxidation state. Oxidation state means charge will be increasing. Yes or not? So in the given reaction, you have to first to do checking of oxidation states. So you check for either side of arrow mark for which element oxidation state is increased. If it is increased means underwent oxidation. It is by loss of electron. And we know that reduction that is happening by gain of electron. Gain of electron. It is known as reduction. Okay, reduction. And due to gain of electron, the charge oxidation state decreases because the charge of electron is -1. Now myself is charge 0. If I eat one electron, if I swallow one electron, what will be my charge? What will be my charge? -1. If I swallow one more electron, what will be my charge? -1 to -2. If I swallow one more electron, the charge will become -2 to -3. So as I get more and more electron, my charge decreases more and more. The charge itself is called oxidation state. So here, gaining of electron means reduction. Therefore, oxidation state means charge decreases. And where you see this is happening, such collective reaction is called as a redox reaction. So chemistry means just play of electron. When electrons are playing, that is called chemistry. Okay, loss of electron, oxidation. Gain of electron, reduction. So in reactions or chemistry, involvement of electrons only there, not protons, not neutrons. Okay, so therefore when you balance the equation, note you have to balance the charges by adding electron. Please note this line. You have to balance the charge by adding electron where positive charge is more. Wherever positive charge is more, there you have to add electrons to make sure that other side charge is equal to this charge. Okay, So we are going to balance the equation by adding electron in ion electron method. If it is oxidation number method, you have to find the oxidation numbers and crisscross, then balance the water molecules, hydrogens and oxygens. I'll tell you how. Okay. And since we know that chemistry, chemical behavior depends on electrons, that's what the SPDF blocks based on electronic configuration. Transition elements are types of elements based on electronic configuration. Modern periodic table based on electronic configuration. Means finally we are bound stick to learn behavior of elements by electrons, in which no role of protons, no role of neutrons. Speak with respect to electrons. Okay. Now we'll see one example. If you are balancing charge, it's a basic you need. Okay. So it's a basic rule. Now say A is there. An element A is there. On this, listen beta. On this, the charge is. On this, the charge is +3. On this, charge is +3. And during the reaction, if it is changed to +5, it is changed to +5. What happened here, beta? What happened here? Oxidation. Very good. What happened? And this is occurred by loss of electron. It's occurred by loss of electron. Oxidation. +3 charge increased to +5. It is oxidation by loss of an electron. You know, loss of electron, oxidation. How many electrons are lost? It was +3. Now become +5. Means how much is increased? 2 increased. Means how many electrons are lost? By loss of 2 electron. By loss of 2 electron. Now see here. Now either side of reaction. Okay. This side is reactant, where total charge is +3. And this side is a product. This side charge is +5. Is it both the side of equation, the charge is equal? Is it equal? No. How to balance the charge? The charge is balanced by adding electron. How the charge is balanced? By adding electron. No proton, no neutron. Always electrons are involved in reaction. So you have to balance the charge by adding electron where positive charge is more. So now we know that chemistry means play of electron. So you have to add electron to balance this charge either side. When charge is balanced, equation is balanced. So tell me where the positive charge is more, at +3 or at +5? +5. So if you add here 2 electrons, means it is -2. So +5 -2 will become equal to +3. Is that clear? So either side, both the side of equation. Now charge is balanced or not? Yes. So in this way, you have to balance the charge by adding electron where positive charge is more. Now this is a simple example to balance the charge. To balance the charge, you get some conditions where both the side you have negative charge. Both the side you may have a negative charge, or one side positive, other side is a negative, where students get confused. Okay, I'll take one more example. One more example. See here, all of you. See here, all of you. Say here an element B. Let its charge is +4. Now this B changed to B -1. B -1. Tell me beta, what happened to this B? Light padtundi kinda rastanu. It was B +4. Now changed to B -1. So tell me, is it charge increased or decreased? Charge increased or decreased? Decreased. +4 decreased to -1. So charge is decreased. So what is this reaction? Reduction. It is what? Reduction. And reduction means you all know that gain of electron. Gain of electron. So here B +4 underwent reduction. Underwent reduction. Now if you want to balance the charge, If you want to balance the charge, you have to balance the charge by only and only adding electron. Antena? Antena? You have to add electrons to balance the charge or equation. So where you have to add electron? At +4 or -1? Simple. Chemistry means play of electron. So you have to balance the charge or equation by adding electron where positive charge is more. So at this side, here +4 is more positive than -1. In this case, if you add here 5 electrons at B +4, when you add +5 electrons, means what happens? -5. Is that clear? If you add 5 electrons, what happens? Out of -5, -4 will balance this +4. Remaining excess 1 electron, excess -1 will be equal to this -1. Is that clear? So in this way, you have to balance the charge. Okay, if you understand this, send me thumbs up, please. Yes, thank you, Srikar. Next one. ఇంకెవరికి అర్థం కాలేదా? మైకిరణ్ రెడ్డి. Yes, Anil Kumar, thank you. Next, Sairam, thank you. Mahesh, thank you. Emma, నాకు thumbs up permission కాదు, you have to practice also. Okay, practice also. Now I'll take one more example. I will explain one more example. It is just half of the reactions I'm balancing. Next, see here. Sorry. Next, this time I'm taking C. Okay, C. The C is changing to one more C. How? See here. All are C's is, wow. C changed to one more form of C. Lead. Okay. So first positive, positive. Next positive, negative we have seen. This time we'll go for both the negative charges. Say this side, okay, at reactant side or left side, the charge is -2. C -2. Now this is changed to C -2. Change to C -4. C -4. Okay, C -4. So tell me beta, this arrow indicates change in direction. So -2 changed to -4. Increased or decreased? Decreased. So decreased means oxidation or reduction. It is reduction, send me R. Reduction. So reduction by gain of electron. Now tell me where the positive charge is more? Where the positive charge is more? At -2 or -4? Where positive charge is more? Very good. That is what magic of MPC students. Okay, the max students can understand -2 is the -2 is more than -4. Yes or not? Okay, use it. So -2 is more positive than -4. So you have to balance the charge by adding electron where positive charge is more. So tell me how much difference? 2. So where we have to add 2 electrons? At -2. So if you add here 2 electrons, the 2 electrons means -2. So add this charge. What is this one? -2 plus -2 equal to -4. So in this way, you have to balance the charges. In this way, you have to balance the charges in ion electron method. Very, very important. Understand? If you understand this, send me something. And next, one more very, very important. One more is very, very important. How to balance the oxygen atoms and hydrogen atoms in acidic medium and basic medium. And many of the students, listen all of you, many of the students, okay, they get confusion in basic medium. But very easy, you'll enjoy it because I love balancing. Therefore, you have to love balancing because you will love as you are my kids. Okay, so now charge is balanced. You learn how to balance the charge. Now learn how to balance the oxygens and hydrogens. How to balance the oxygens and hydrogens. See here, very, very important. Okay, very, very important. Balancing hydrogens and oxygens. Okay. See, a reaction can take place in acidic medium, basic medium, or neutral medium. Okay. So we need not to bother about the neutral. We have to think for acidic and basic. In acidic medium, how to balance the oxygens? How to balance the hydrogens? In basic, how to balance the oxygens? How to balance the hydrogens? Very, very important. So for this, I will make a small table. I will make a small table. Okay. It's a small table I'm making. Now, here I'm writing here element. Okay. And this is to explain what? Balancing hydrogen and oxygen. So means only two elements, hydrogen and second one is oxygen. Okay. I'm making three columns. The first column is element. The first element is hydrogen. Second element is oxygen. How to balance? So here this is medium. Next it is what? Maybe acidic medium reaction or maybe basic medium reaction. So first consider in acidic medium how to balance the equation. Okay, how to balance the hydrogens and oxygens in acidic medium. If you have, listen, to balance the hydrogens in acidic medium, wherever hydrogens are less, ఎక్కడైనా సరే acidic medium లో ఏ వైపు అయితే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ కానీ రైట్ సైడ్ కానీ హైడ్రోజన్స్ తక్కువగా ఉన్నాయి, then you have to add H plus ions. You have to add H plus ions. Okay, in any of the half reaction, oxidation or reduction or whole reaction according to oxidation number method, wherever hydrogens are less, at that side you have to add the same number, the number of required H plus ions, because H plus means acid. So at a certain side you want one hydrogen, means there one hydrogen is less, there add one hydrogen. Or if you want 7 hydrogens there, add 7 H plus. If you need 14 hydrogens, add 14 H plus. Okay, in acidic medium. And in acidic medium, to balance the oxygens, if you need oxygens, okay, if one oxygen, add one H2O where oxygen is less. If you need 7 oxygens, add 7 H2O. If you need 4 oxygens, add 4 H2O. Now give me answer. If you need 5 oxygens in acidic medium, what is to be added at that side where oxygens are less? 5 H2O. Understand? Wherever oxygens are less in acidic medium, add H2O for oxygen and hydrogen, H plus for hydrogens in acidic medium. Now here little confusion. Now in basic medium, very, very important, I'll put here double star. See, note first point, to balance the hydrogens or oxygens, for both hydrogens and oxygens, wherever you need hydrogens, you have to add H2O. And for oxygens also, you have to add H2O. One hydrogen. Okay. Then what you add there? H2O. 2 hydrogens, you will add H2O. 5 hydrogens, you have to add H2O based on required number. 1 oxygen, H2O. 2 oxygens, 2 H2O. So listen here, after adding, for balancing the both hydrogens and oxygen, you have to add H2O in basic medium. Very, very important. After adding H2O, listen carefully. After adding H2O, to balance the further, you have to add OH minus. You have to add OH minus in basic medium where oxygens and hydrogens are more. But in first step, to balance the hydrogens and oxygens, you have to add H2O in basic medium. Then after that, to balance further, you have to add OH minus. Only 1 or 2 reactions will be there which can be balanced by direct adding OH minus, but which is wrong. First you have to add H2O, then only add OH minus. This is the right way and you will get 100% correct balanced equation. So these are rules. Now we'll go for the one example. We'll go for the one example. Okay, now please note this. Yeah, I'm giving example. Okay. Now see here, I'll give you one example. See beta, MnO4 minus. It is called permanganate ion. Permanganate ion. This MnO4 minus. This MnO4 minus. Okay, permanganate ion in a basic alkaline, dilute alkaline medium called as Bayer's reagent. Bayer's reagent, oxidizing agent. So this will be in a light pink color. Okay, in dilute solution, it will be in a good pink color. Okay, and this one in basic medium, that is in alkaline medium, changes to MnO2. Changes to MnO2, where permanganate ion will be in pink color, where manganese dioxide MnO2 will be in brownish color. Brownish color. So this change in pink to brown color, this change in color, okay, advantage is taken in identifying the, listen carefully, this KMnO4, okay, I'm taking just permanganate ion from KMnO4. This permanganate will be in a pink in color when this is taken in alkali medium and treated with alkenes, alkynes. I hope you know alkenes, alkynes, which contain CC pi bond. And any compound having CC pi bond is unstable, unsaturated. So the Bayer's reagent is used to identify unsaturation. Is used to identify unsaturation. So in that reaction, what happens? This pink color changes to brown color due to formation of MnO2. Okay, where this KMnO4 acts as oxidizing agent. Obviously, KMnO4 is the strongest oxidizing agent. Always oxidizing agent. So see here. Now this is a reaction which is occurring in the basic medium. Which is occurring in the basic medium. Now you have to balance this equation. Now see, what is the charge of this manganese beta? Here, O minus 4, MnO4 minus means the manganese charge is here plus 7 and this manganese is plus 4. Could you see here? Oxygen is minus 2. Okay, as we have learned in previous classes, how to calculate oxidation states. So in permanganate, manganese is plus 7. In the MnO2, manganese is plus 4. Okay, the next you have to balance the charge and oxidants. Okay, now please tell me what is the charge here? Plus 7, more positive. Then this is plus 4, less charge. So by adding 3 electrons, the charge is balanced. Yes or not? By adding 3 electrons, charge is balanced. Is that clear? Then what about oxidants, madam? Avuna? And this medium, the reaction is taking place in a basic medium, that is alkaline. So to balance the oxidants, now you have to add water, H2O. Here 4 oxidants and right side 2 oxidants. How many less here, beta? How many less here? 2. Therefore, you require 2. Since basic medium, add 2 H2O. Add 2 H2O. Now, oxidants are balanced. 2 oxidant, 2 oxidant. But what happened? Due to addition of 2 H2O, what happened? 2 2s are 4. 4 hydrogens are increased. So, for the balancing hydrogens also, you have to add H2O in basic medium. Okay. So, what you do here? You have to add, see here beta, you have to add, you need 4H, therefore add 4H2O here. You have to add 4H2O. Okay, 4H2O. But due to addition of 4H2O, what happened? Here at the left side, 4 hydrogens and 4 oxygens are increased. In that case, other side add, this side, other side add 4 OH minus. 4 OH minus. So means to balance the oxidants, first add H2O. To balance hydrogens, first add H2O. After that, to balance this hydrogens and oxygen, you have to add OH minus wherever it is required. Wherever it is required. And after balancing this, you may be asked ratio of species. Ratio of species. Okay, understand? So in this reaction, how many moles of permanganate? 1 mole. Every 1 molecule is 1 mole. How many moles of MnO2? 1 mole. And next, see here, you can balance it. And see here, before the arrow mark, the water molecules are 4. And after the arrow mark, means after the reaction, water molecules are 2. So you can cancel this. Here 2 are cancelled. And how many left here? Only 2. Finally, you get here 2. That is perfectly, it is balanced. So in this, we have to balance the equation. Okay. Understand? This is basic medium. This is a basic medium. Okay. The next, still 5 minutes is there. I will explain one more in acidic medium. How to balance the hydrogens with H+. I'll take one more equation. Half reaction I'll take. Okay. See beta. Now see. Now it is Cr2O7 minus 2 dichromate ion. It is a dichromate ion. Now in acidic medium, the reaction taken is acidic. The previous is basic. In acidic medium, this dichromate ion changes to chromic ions. Where chromic means +3. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి డ్రంక్ అండ్ డ్రైవ్ టెస్ట్ లో ఆ మెషిన్ వచ్చేసి బ్రీతింగ్ టెస్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది సౌండ్ వస్తుంది బీప్ కుయ్ అండ్ సౌండ్ వస్తుంది at the same time the indicator color changes from orange to green because in that drunk and drive machine what is that potassium dichromate which is orange changes to green color because of chromic ions. Okay, so here this is what reaction. Now in the dichromate the chromium will be in +6 state change to +3. So what is this one? Redox half reaction. Reduction half reaction. Okay. Now, when you balance the equation, first balance the atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. So see here, how many chromium at the reactant? Left side 2. So right side only 1. Make it first 2. Then 2 just pade first. Okay. The next, after this, see here, after this it is becoming 2. Then see the charge. What is the charge here, beta? +6, +3. Okay. +3, each one is having what? 2 chromium is into 2 +3 plus, okay, +6 +6. But see on the top, lekapothe pakkana petteste. Okay, see here. Now balance the oxygens. How many oxygens at left side? Left side 7. This side no oxygens. As you're balancing reaction in acidic medium. So in acidic medium also to balance oxygens add 7H2O. 7H2O, 7 oxygens. But after adding the, what happened here? After adding the, what is this? 7H2O, 7 2s are 14. 14 hydrogens are increased at right side. So therefore, this side add hydrogens. How many required? 14. Since acidic medium, add 14H+. 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 Is that clear? Okay. Next, to balance the charge. What is the charge here? So charge here it is. Now avoid this charge. See the top charge here on the total H plus +14. And next here it is -2. So at this left side, what is the total charge? +12. Next here, +3 into 2, +6. And it is neutral. So what is the total charge here? It is +6. +6. So therefore, you have to add electron to balance the charge. Left side +12, right side +6. So where positive charge is more? Left side. How much? By 6. Therefore, add here 6 electrons to balance the equation. Balance the equation. So in this way, the equation half reaction is balanced. I hope in basic mediums we have added the electron initially. We'll check it once again that. Okay, I'll send you some equations with balancing. Okay, understand? As the time is up. Okay, beta, I'll send you video for the balancing. You practice all balancing and I'll send you the videos of isomerism and nomenclature also. Please practice. Lot of syllabus is there. Name cheyalenu. Vintunara beta? We'll hope work together and do better. త్వరగా కరోనా శాంతిస్తే బాగుండు. Okay na? Bye beta.